Kurunji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
Free bus for LKG to 8th standard.
Free, hygienic and nutritious food.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurunji Education Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurunjischoolnkl.in.
Hello students, we were discussing problems on Cartesian product of sets. Next question, fifth question. If set A contains the elements 1 and -1, find Cartesian product A cross A cross A. Okay. But here what is given? Set A contains the elements 1 and -1. We have to find A cross A cross A. Okay. For this, first of all, I will find A cross A. What is A cross A? Now what is A? Set A is 1 comma -1. So the cross product of A and A, okay, A cross A is equal to what it is? Set of ordered pairs 1 comma 1, 1 comma -1, -1 comma 1 and -1 comma -1. Okay. Now A cross A cross A. Now A cross A cross A, what it is? A cross A cross with A. Now already A cross A we found. What is A cross A? It is a set containing the ordered pairs 1 1, ordered pair 1 comma -1, ordered pair -1 comma 1 and ordered pair -1 comma -1. Okay, cross with A is nothing but set containing the elements 1 and -1. Now A cross A, it is set of ordered triplets. A cross A is set of ordered triplets. So what will get? Ordered triplet 1 1 1, ordered triplet 1 1 -1. Next ordered triplet 1 -1 1, ordered triplet 1 -1 -1. Okay. Next -1 1 1, -1 1 1, -1 1 -1, -1 1 -1. Next -1 -1 1, -1 -1 -1. Okay. But this is A cross A cross A. Okay. What is given here? Given A is set containing the elements 1 comma -1. We have to find A cross A cross A. For this we will find first of all A cross A. Now A cross A contains the elements ordered pairs. A cross A contains the ordered pairs, ordered pair 1 1, 1 -1, -1 1 and -1 -1. Now A cross A cross A is A cross A cross with A. So A cross A already we found. That is what? Set containing the ordered pairs 1 1, 1 -1, -1 1, -1 -1. Cross with 1 comma -1. So what we have here? Ordered triplet 1 1 1, 1 1 -1, 1 -1 1, 1 -1 -1, -1 1 1, -1 1 -1, -1 -1 1, -1 -1 -1. Okay. Next question. A cross B given as set of ordered pairs A comma X, ordered pair A comma Y, ordered pair B comma X, ordered pair B comma Y. Okay. Now find A and B. Now in A cross B, A is set of first elements, B is set of second elements. A is set of first elements and B is set of second elements. Then what is A? Set A is equal to A comma B. Okay, because A B B, so A is set of first element, nothing but A contains the elements A comma B. Set A contains the elements A comma B. Now B is what? Set of second elements. Now second elements are what? X, Y, X, Y. Okay. So B is set of second elements. So B, set B contains the elements X comma Y. X comma Y. Okay. Next question. Let A is equal to, set A is equal to 1 comma 2, set B is equal to 3 comma 4. How to write A cross B, and how many subset will A cross B have, and we have to list the subsets. Okay. Now here question is set A contains the elements 1 comma 2, set B contains the elements 3 comma 4. Okay. Write A cross B. Write A cross B. How many subsets will A cross B have? List out them. Okay. First of all, I'll write A cross B. What is M? A is set containing the elements 1 comma 2, set B contains the elements 3 comma 4. A cross B contains the ordered pairs, ordered pair 1 comma 3, ordered pair 1 comma 4, ordered pair 2 comma 3, ordered pair 2 comma 4. So number of elements in A cross B, how many? Number of elements in A cross B are 4. Okay. But we know this, that is, if a set having m elements, if a set C has n elements, m elements, then number of subsets will be 2 power m. Number of subsets will be 2 power m. Suppose a set having 2 elements, so number of subsets will be 2 power 2. Suppose a set having 3 elements, number of subsets will be 2 power 3. Suppose a set having 4 elements, number of subsets will be 2 power 4. Okay, like that. So here in A cross B, how many elements are there? In A cross B we have 4 elements. So the set A cross B has 2 power 4 subsets. Okay. Set A cross B has 2 power 4 subsets. 2 power 4 is nothing but 16 subsets. Okay. Set A cross B has 16 subsets. 16 subsets. Now what is A cross B? A cross B is set of ordered pairs 1 3, 1 4, 2 3, 2 4. Okay. Now its subsets, first of all, for any set, null set is a subset. For any set, null set is a subset, and set itself is also subset to itself. Okay. So first set, what will write? Null set. Next, subsets means, first of all we will write singleton sets. So set containing ordered pair 1 3, set containing the ordered pair 1 4, set containing the ordered pair 2 3, set containing the ordered pair 2 4. Okay. So one element will take and it has one subset. So up to here 5 we got. Next, a set with 2 elements. A set with 2 elements. So ordered pair 1 3 comma 1 4. Ordered pair 1 3 1 4. Next, a set with ordered pair 1 3 2 3, a set with ordered pair 1 3 2 4. Okay. Set with ordered pair 1 3 1 4, 1 3 2 3, 1 3 2 4. Okay. Next, set with ordered pair 1 4 2 3, set with ordered pair 1 4 2 4, set with ordered pair 2 3 2 4. Okay. Now here subsets with 2 elements. Next, subset with 3 elements. Subset with 3 elements. So what we can write? A subset with elements ordered pair 1 3, 1 4, 2 3. Okay. Next, subset with ordered pairs 1 3, 1 4, 2 4. Next, set with ordered pair 1 3, 2 3, 2 4. 1 3 2 3 2 4. Okay. Next, set with ordered pair 1 4 2 3 2 4. Okay. Next, set with ordered pair full set. Okay. Right. Full set, that is 1 3 1 4 2 3 2 4. Okay. I'll repeat once again. What is given here? Set A with elements 1 2, set B with elements 3 4. I have to write A cross B. So first of all, A cross B equal to how much? Ordered pair 1 3, 1 4, 2 3, 2 4. Okay. Now here number of elements in A cross B are how many? 4. Okay. Then number of subsets of A cross B are 2 power 4, nothing but 16 subsets. 16 subsets. Okay. So what are the subsets? First of all, null set. Next with singleton elements, that is singleton ordered pair 1 3, singleton ordered pair 1 4, ordered pair 2 3, ordered pair 2 4. Next subsets with 2 elements, that is ordered pair 1 3 1 4. Okay. Ordered pair 1 3 2 3, ordered pair 1 3 2 4. Means 1 3 combination we wrote everything. Next with 1 4 combination. Okay. 1 4 2 3, ordered pair 1 4, ordered pair 2 3. That is one subset. Okay. Next 1 4 2 4. Okay. So 1 4 combination also completed. Next ordered pair 2 3 2 4. So these are subsets with 2 elements. Next subset with 3 elements. So here 4 elements we are having. Subset with 3 elements means one time you remove one element. Now subset with element 1 3 1 4 2 3 means here we miss the element ordered pair 2 comma 4. Next subset with elements ordered pair 1 3 1 4 2 4 means here we miss the ordered pair 2 3. Next 1 3 2 3 2 4, here we miss the ordered pair 1 4. Okay. Next subset with the elements ordered pair 1 4 2 3 2 4, here we miss the element 1 3. Okay. Next set itself. Okay, that is ordered pair 1 3 1 4 2 3 2 4. Okay. Next question. Next question. Let A and B be 2 sets such that n of A is equal to 3, means number of elements in set A is equal to 3 and n of B is equal to 2. Number of elements in set B is equal to 2. Okay. Number of elements in set A is 3, number of elements in set B is equal to 2. Okay. If ordered pair x comma 1, y comma 2 and z comma 1 are in A cross B. Okay. What is given? Number of elements in set A are 3, number of elements in set B are 2. Okay. Also given 3 elements of A cross B. Actually number of elements in A cross B will be how much? 6. Out of them 3 elements given. What are the elements given? X comma 1, y comma 2, z comma 1 are in A cross B. Then question is to find A and B. Okay, where x, y, z are distinct elements. Here given that number of elements in set A are 3, number of elements in set B are 2 and x1, y2, z2 are in A cross B. Then what we know? A is set of first elements of A cross B. A is set of, in A cross B, A is set of first elements of A cross B. Okay. So what are the first elements here? X, y, z. Therefore x, y, z are elements of set A. What is set B? Set B is set of second elements of A cross B. Now second elements are what? 1, 2, 1 means 1 comma 2 are elements of set B. Okay. So what are the elements of set A? Set A contains the elements x, y, z and set B contains the elements 1 comma 2. Okay. Now here given that number of elements as in A as 3, number of elements in B as 2 and x1, y2, z1 are the elements of A cross B. Okay. How to find A and B where x, y, z are distinct elements. Okay. So number of elements in A 3, number of elements in B 2 and x1, y2, z1 are elements in A cross B. So A is nothing but set of first elements of A cross B. So first elements are x, y, z. So elements of A are what? Elements of set A are x, y, z. B is second set of second elements of A cross B. Okay. What are the second elements? 1, 2, 1. So nothing but 1, 2 are elements of set B. Okay. That's it. My A contains the elements, set A contains the elements x, y, z and set B contains the elements 1 comma 2. Okay. Next question. The Cartesian product of A cross A has 9 elements. Okay. A Cartesian product of A cross A has 9 elements, among which are found minus 1 comma 0 and 0 comma 1. So out of 9 elements, 2 elements are given. Out of 9 elements, 2 elements are given. Find set A and remaining elements of A cross A. So what are the elements of set A we have to find, and out of 9 elements 2 elements given, so we have to find remaining 7 elements. Okay, now what we know, n of A cross B is equal to n of A into n of B. So n of A cross A is equal to what? N of A into n of A. Okay, so we know that n of A cross A is equal to n of A into n of A. So n of A cross A, what is given? 9. But n of A cross A is what? N of A into n of A. So n of A square is equal to 3 square. So n of A is equal to what? 3. So number of elements in set A is equal to how many? 3. So first thing, number of elements in set A is equal to 3. That is what we know. So ordered pairs minus 1 comma 0 and 0 comma 1 are 2 elements of A cross A. No? So out of 9 elements, 2 elements given. Okay, what are those? Ordered pair minus 1 comma 0 and 0 comma 1. Okay, so from here what we can conclude? Minus 1 is an element of set A, 0 is an element of set A, 0 is an element of set A, and 1 is element of set A. So what we can conclude is minus 1, 0 and 1 are elements of set A. Minus 1, 0 and 1 are elements of set A. Okay, so remaining elements of A cross A. Remaining elements of A cross A will write. So actually what we can write, elements are remaining elements are minus 1 comma minus 1. Okay, next minus 1 comma 1, next 0 comma minus 1, 0 comma 1 already written, so 0 comma 1 no need to write, and 0 comma 0, 0 comma 0, next 1 comma minus 1, 1 comma 0 and 1 comma 1. These are the remaining 7 elements of A cross A. Okay, my question is Cartesian product A cross A has 9 elements. Among those 9 elements, 2 elements are given. What are those? Ordered pair minus 1 comma 0 and 0 comma 1. Okay, find set A and remaining elements of A cross A. So n of A cross A is equal to, formula is n of A into n of A. Okay, what is given? N of A cross A is given as 9. So n of A into n of A whole square is equal to 3 square, n of A is equal to 3. So number of elements in set A is equal to 3. Okay, so here in the given question we have ordered pairs minus 1 0, 0 1 are 2 elements of A cross A. Means minus 1 belongs to set A, 0 belongs to set A and 1 belongs to set A. So minus 1, 0 and 1 are elements of set A. Okay. Now the remaining elements of A cross A are, what are those? If you write in a Cartesian product, okay, you will get total 9 elements. Out of those remove given 2 elements. So what are those elements? Ordered pair minus 1 comma minus 1, ordered pair minus 1 comma 1, ordered pair 0 comma minus 1, ordered pair 0 comma 0, ordered pair 1 comma minus 1, ordered pair 1 comma 0 and ordered pair 1 comma 1. Okay. With this we completed concepts on this question. Next we will discuss relations. Okay. Okay students, now we will discuss relations. Okay. We will start with an example. Okay. Now consider two sets, set P containing the elements A, B, C and set Q containing elements Ali, Bhanu, Bharat, Chandra and Divya. So number of elements in set P how many? 3. Number of elements in set Q how many? 5. So the Cartesian product of P and Q. So P cross Q has how many ordered pairs? 15 ordered pairs. So what are those 15 ordered pairs? P cross Q is equal to ordered pair A Ali, A Bhanu, A Bharat, A Chandra, A Divya. Okay, these 5 ordered pairs. Next with B, B ordered pair B comma Ali, ordered pair B comma Bhanu, B comma Bharat, ordered pair B comma Chandra, ordered pair B comma Divya. Okay, these 5. Next with C, ordered pair C comma Ali, ordered pair C comma Bhanu, ordered pair C comma Bharat, ordered pair C comma Chandra, ordered pair C comma Divya. Okay, now we have in P cross Q total 15 elements, 15 ordered pairs. Okay, now I will write one subset of P cross Q. Now I'll write one subset of P cross Q. Okay, now I'll write a subset of P cross Q by introducing a relation R, by introducing a relation between the first element and second element of the ordered pair. Okay, now suppose X is the first element of the ordered pair and Y is the second element of the ordered pair. Now I will write a relation, I will write a subset of P cross Q by introducing a relation between first element and second element of the ordered pair. Okay, I'll write like this relation, I'll call it as a relation R equal to ordered pair X comma Y, where X is the first letter of the name Y. Now here we have in ordered pairs, first element is what? ABC, second elements what we are having names. Okay, so ordered pair X comma Y, what is the relation between X and Y is X is the first letter of the name Y. Okay, now here in first element is ABC, okay, letter, whereas second one is name. Now what is the relation I am introducing here? First letter of the name. Okay, now here A Ali. Now X is A is first letter of the name Ali, no? So that comes under relation. A Banu, here first letter is B, here A, so we cannot write in relation. A Chandra, A first letter is C, not possible. A Divya, not possible. A Bharat, not possible. B Ali, not possible. B Banu. Now this one, this ordered pair will write in this relation because B is the first letter of the name Banu, so we can write. B Chandra, we cannot write. B Divya, we cannot write. B Bharat, this one we can write because B is the first letter of the word, first letter of the name Bharat, so this comes under the relation. C Ali, C is not the first letter of the name Ali. C Banu, we cannot write. C Chandra, this one we can write. Okay, C Chandra, yes, because C is the first letter of the name Chandra. Okay, so this one will write here. C Divya we cannot write. C Bharat we cannot write. Okay, now here I'll explain. Now here if you observe, set P contains the letters ABC, set Q contains the names Ali, Bharat, Banu, Chandra. Okay, so what is the relation, how it is mapped? It is mapped like this. A is mapped to Ali, B is mapped to Bharat, and B is mapped to Banu, C is mapped to Chandra. So actually this Cartesian product P and Q, P cross Q contains 15 ordered pairs, whereas this relation contains how many elements? R contains 4 elements. What are the 4 elements? Ordered pair A comma Ali, ordered pair B comma Bharat, ordered pair B comma Banu, ordered pair C comma Chandra. Now obviously this relation is a subset of a Cartesian product. Now every relation is subset of Cartesian product. There will be some relation between first element and second element of the ordered pair. Okay, now come to the definition. A relation R from a set, from a non-empty set A to a non-empty set B is subset of Cartesian product A cross B. Okay, my relation R from a non-empty set A to a non-empty set B is subset of the Cartesian product A cross B. Okay, now this subset is derived by describing relation between the first element and second elements of the ordered pairs in A cross B. Here this relation is subset of Cartesian product, the subset is derived by describing a relation between first element and second element of the ordered pairs in A cross B. Now in previous example we have 15 elements in P cross Q, but a relation R contains only 4 elements. Here there is a relation between first element and second element of each ordered pair. What is the relation? Here X first element is first letter of the second element. First element is the first element of the first letter of the second element. Okay. So a relation from a non-empty set A to non-empty set B is subset of Cartesian product. The subset is derived by describing a relation between the first element and second elements of the ordered pairs in A cross B. Okay. The second element is called image of the first element. The second element is called image of the first element. Now here A, Ali. Okay. So Ali is image of A here. Okay. B, Bharat. Ordered pair B, Bharat. Now Bharat is image of the letter B. Okay, like that. Okay. Second element is called image of the first element. Now what is domain, what is codomain, and what is range? A set of all first elements of ordered pairs in a relation from a set A to set B is called the domain of the relation. Set of all first elements of the ordered pairs in a relation R from a set A to set B is called domain of the relation. In a relation, whatever ordered pairs you have, in all those ordered pairs first elements comes under domain. Okay. Now for example in this one already we discussed what is the relation we are having. Relation R contains the elements ordered pairs A comma Ali, B comma Banu, B comma Bharat, and C comma Chandra. So A, B, C comes under the domain of the relation. Okay. Next, range. Range is set of all second elements in a relation from a set A to set B is called range of the relation. Set of all second elements in a relation from a set A to set B is called range of the relation. Now if you observe here what we are having, Ali, Bharat, Banu, Chandra, Divya. Among those what is the relation? Relation we have A ordered pair A comma Ali, B comma Banu, B comma Bharat, and C comma Chandra. So Ali, Banu, Bharat, Chandra comes under range. Okay. So whichever having pre-images, those comes under range. Now here what are the elements are having pre-images? Ali, Bharat, Banu, Chandra. Okay, these comes under range. Ali, Bharat, Banu, Chandra comes under range. The whole set B is called codomain of the relation. Now here if you observe, Ali, Bharat, Banu, Chandra comes under range. Ali, Bharat, Banu, Chandra, Divya comes under codomain. Clear difference? Ali, Bharat, Banu, Chandra comes under range, whereas Ali, Bharat, Banu, Chandra and Divya comes under codomain. Okay. My range definition once again, the set of all second elements in a relation R. Set of all second elements in a relation R from a set A to set B is called range of the relation. Okay. The whole set B is called codomain of the relation. Now here in the relation R already what we are having, ordered pair A comma Ali, B comma Banu, B comma Bharat, C comma Chandra. Okay. So in these domain is ABC, set ABC. Okay. Range is Ali, Banu, Bharat, Chandra. Whereas codomain is Ali, Bharat, Banu, Chandra and Divya. Okay. Range is always subset are equal to codomain. Okay. A relation that you can consider as node, range is always subset are equal to codomain. Okay. Remarks, first one, a relation may be represented algebraically either roster form or set builder form. Okay, roster form or set builder form, like we have in sets, here also we have roster form or set builder form. Okay. Now arrow diagram is a visual representation of a relation. Now here already this example, this is an arrow diagram. Okay, arrow diagram is visual representation of a relation. Okay students, now here some examples and problems we'll discuss in the next session. Okay.